What we will be doing today is importing a file in Figma and editing it for our own purpose. So I guess you can download the file from the description, or in the description you can follow the link and then subscribe to the newsletter or the mailing, and then you can get the file for this particular thing, which is a LinkedIn header that you can use for your own profile, wherein you can type in your role and then a brief about yourself, and your technological skill set and your Twitter ID, email, or probably a website that you own. So the color and the header is blended with the LinkedIn look and feel. So let's see how it looks like after creating your LinkedIn image itself. So what you need to do is you need to sign up with Figma if you do not have an account. If you already have an account, you can just log in. So I do have an account, and I will be logging in over there. So okay, for first you need to download the file, either from the download section, or from the description, or from the mailing group that you have received. And what you need to do is the moment you sign up with Figma, you will be on this page, or probably on a page like this, which is an untitled page. It's loading. So what you need to do is you need to go back to the files. You will be on the dashboard. So what you need to do is download the file. So I have already downloaded the file. So the file name is linkedinheader.fig. So you need to drag it down, drop it over here. It will take a while to import. The moment it gets imported, you need to double tap on it, double click on it, and you will see all of these components over here and LinkedIn header as well. So there are two different frames. So what you need to do is you need to type in your role. So whatever your role may be, might be Angular developer, and then you need to type your brief description, whatever you want. Then the actual effort that you need to put in is over here. So if you want that, you want to rate yourself in some of these skills, or probably if you want this icon, so what you need to do is you need to go over here in the menu section and then go for plugins and click on manage plugins. So it will redirect to a new page. It will say that you do not have any plugins installed, so you need to click on plugins over here, browse all plugins, and then you need to search for Iconify. So it will find Iconify and you need to just install it. So click on install, the plugin will install itself. Go back to your file. If you see in plugins, then you have got Iconify. So what you need to do over here is just type in, suppose say you are an Angular expert, so you can click on Angular and then you need to import the icon. So the icon is imported over here. So if you see, it's small. What you need to do right now is, for now, what the sizes that I have set is 40 cross 40. So I will be setting the size to 40 cross 40 as well, and then I will remove this. I will drag it over here and we'll set it over here. Yeah. So as the current text tag needed a blue theme, so I put blue color for all of that. But what you can do is you can change the color according to what you need. So you can type in Angular and then you can like move it a bit depending upon your requirement, and suppose you need it in red. So yeah, and same with this. So you can change your reading options to red. So all of you can click on one by one over here and you can make them red. So you can choose from here. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, 3 out of 5. That sounds good. And same you can do with these icons as well. So if you want that these icons sh must be of different colors, so yeah, right. So you can customize this according to your needs. And after all of it has done, so just what you just need to do is you can click on this LinkedIn header, and then you need to come to this particular section, scroll down, and in the export side set it to 2x, or 1x would do as well. But yeah, so you can save it in PNG, PDF, SVG, JPG. So you can click on PNG, and then you just need to export the LinkedIn header, and yeah, that's it. So mostly the other functionalities of Figma would be explained in some other video, but for now, if you need any help regarding this particular file, let me know in the comment box, and also you can mail me down. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you.